How to fix Apex Legends stuck on loading screen. So first thing you want to do is try restarting the game and the system. So firstly, a simple restart of the game or your system can often resolve this issue. Now another thing you want to do next is for check for updates. So next ensure that both the game and your system are up to date. You can check for any available updates for Apex Legends and then simply install them. Then what you want to do next is verify the game files. So verifying the game files is another effective step for PC users on Origin. You can just open Origin and then navigate to the game library and then locate Apex Legends and simply repair it. Then you might want to clear the cache. So by clearing the cache, it can help the PC users where close Apex Legends and open the Steam by brushing to the Windows and then simply just deleting all the cache in order to make it less laggy and then fix the loading screen. Then you might want to restart also. By changing the DNS settings as well, you can have the issue resolved. This is how you do it. So for PC users, just go to your control panel, go to the network, sharing, and center, and then change the adapter settings, right click on the connection, and then select the properties, and then just simply go to the properties and change the DNS server addresses. You can use 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4. Then, you might want to disable full screen optimizations. So by going to Apex Legends, just disable this feature. Then you might want to adjust the launch options for your PC, like running it on Administrator. Then you want to reinstall the game, check some server status that make sure that Apex Legends is not down, and lastly, if none of these works, you might want to contact support and then contact their team.